babes, welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany, aka BrittSmiley, and today I have a wig video for y'all. I don't ever do wig videos on this channel, but I have a wig video for y'all. Cause bitch, do you see this? Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? Just had to. So sit back and relax, and I'll give you all the details about this wig. And if you mess with the vibe, you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family. I definitely plan on doing more videos like this after doing this one. Don't forget to also give me a thumbs up and a comment. It helps. So if you want to see this transformation and get a tutorial about this wig, a little insight about this wig, then keep on watching.
Honestly, yeah.
Hey babe, so today I'm showing you how to be a baddie on an actual budget. Here we have the sensational Cloud 9 What Lace wig in the style Zelena. It is a 13x6 synthetic wig unit that comes with 3 combs, 2 in the sides and 1 in the back. This unit is really nice as far as the hairline goes. I barely had to do any plucking. As you guys can see here, I'm going in and tinting my lace using my Kiss Titrations hair color spray. I'm using the color dark brown as that best suits my hairline. So here you're seeing me go in with the stocking cap method, but I ended up not even doing this method for my final install. I messed up somewhere along the lines and it just made the wig look really ashy, and it wasn't showing you guys the actual quality of that lace front wig. This unit was $50. It is definitely within my budget, and if it's within your budget, I would recommend going out and getting it. Here I'm showing you the hairline without any product in it, just on my head. This unit goes real far back, like I said, 13x6. But as you guys can see here, you can kind of see some of that ashiness of the hairline, and that's when I realized I did something wrong. So I was like, we need to do a take 2.
Okay. Let's try this again.
The next day.
So the next morning, I woke up with a plan to not use a stocking cap. This wig is a little bit small on my head, and I knew that a stocking cap method wouldn't give me the seamless install that I was looking for. Taking my scissors, I ended up cutting some of the excess lace that I had missed the night before. I decided to go with a glueless install for this wig, so I took my Got2b free spray all across the hairline. I ended up pulling some of my sideburns to the front to ensure that the wig was properly in place before attaching my Velcro across my forehead and using my blow dryer to help set the wig down. My blow dryer is on a cool setting. This wig is in the style Zelena from the company Cloud 9 in their What Lace collection. I also bought this wig at my local beauty supply, but the description box will have non-affiliate links that will guide you to where you can purchase this hair online. I got my hair for $50. I ended up going in and plucking the hairline a little bit more just for a more natural install, but ultimately it's not necessary if you don't want to or if you feel as though you can't. I prefer to pluck on my head rather than on a mannequin. I just find it's easier for me, but to each his own. As you guys can see, I did very minimal plucking as this wig didn't really need it. Taking my Maybelline Fit Me in the color 375 Java, I'm applying it to the hairline to allow for a more natural finish. Here I'm just showing you a closer look of exactly what I did to one side, just on the other side.
I put one hand for fire, fire burning. I go put hand for fire. Baby girl, you bad.
And like I said, this wig is a little bit small on me. So whereas another person might be able to go without baby hairs, I can't, since this wig doesn't fully fit. I took some Gorilla Glue, not the super glue, the hair gel, to help me lay my baby hairs. I'm not a perfect baby hair person, but I'm trying to gain my way. I like to use those edge brushes, specifically the comb side. I find it helps me get the look that I'm personally going for. Here I'm just tooting my own horn because I haven't done a lace front in so long, and I think I'm actually doing pretty well this time. I like the way my baby hairs are looking, and I'm vibing with the look of this wig. At this point, I was just happy. So obviously doing what I did to one side to the other side, I'm just going to play with my baby hairs until I find a look that's suitable for my head and what I want. Synthetic wig companies are definitely stepping up their game to provide us with more quality wigs that can kind of give off the illusion of looking like real human hair wigs. These wigs are also more pocket friendly and budget friendly for anyone who just doesn't have the means to constantly be buying a $300 wig every time they want a new hairstyle. I also find this wig works for practice. If you aren't good at installing wigs, but you want to become good at installing wigs, get a synthetic wig and play around. See what works, see what styles better fit you and what you can do and can't do. And I'd rather mess up a $50 wig than mess up a $200 wig, because no, I'ma cry. Once I finished the baby hairs, I just ended up taking a Denman brush to play with those curls and those waves to get the hair in a final look that I wanted it to be in. So just sit back and relax while I finish up this style.
Why you gon' act like you don't know? Baby, don't do it like that. Girl, come feed me, don't be stingy. Why you gon' do it like that? Why you gon' do it?
After watching that whole video, are you feeling what I'm feeling? Are you understanding why this smile is this big? While I beat my face on a Sunday morning and said I had to film a video about this. Are you understanding why? Like, synthetic wigs hit like this. Y'all ain't tell me synthetic wigs is hit like this. For $50? For 50 bundles like this will run you like $200. But you can get a nice synthetic wig for $50. Already cut and curled, 13 by 6. Like, bitch, what? You just, I just feel like you can't beat this right now, especially when we're in a panini. Money is tight. People ain't got time to be just buying wigs when they playing with our stimmies. So if I have to cut corners somewhere and still uphold the look, it's gonna be to get a synthetic wig. Like, it's moving, it has body, it has just enough shine to where you know, like, okay, it's some quality hair. But it's not giving you like party store wig. It really isn't. Like, and you can part it any way you want to. Come on. No, I'm gonna get more. Zelena, baby, Zelena, you did what you had to do today. Cause I'm feeling it. And it's as you guys saw, I did very little to this wig. I did pluck it a little bit just to help me with my head shape, but you really don't have to. Cause I know y'all saw, you really didn't have to. Bitch, when the box says what lace, you gotta investigate and see what lace, because I'm not seeing it right now. Like, come on. I'm just, yeah, synthetic wigs, you gotta win with me. Today, you gotta win with me. I'm shocked. Sensational Cloud9, y'all did that. We will be trying them out. Okay, I'll waste my money before y'all have to waste your money, but this one gets a yes from me. Wow, and on dark skin at that, like, cause y'all know how it be when it comes to laces. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me installing this wig and my little review about the Cloud 9 What Lace Zelena wig. As you guys can see, I got it in the 1B color. I am in love with this wig right now. I will keep you guys updated on the maintenance and how long it ends up lasting me. I don't plan on sleeping in this wig as it is synthetic, and I've heard that you shouldn't sleep in synthetic wigs. But for like an everyday wig, ultimately, if I really wanted to wear it with no glue, I could, because right here to right here, it's like really like down, and then like the edges are where I needed to have some gots to be. But baby, if you're a beginner or like just learning to get into wigs and you don't want to waste your money, this wig is so easy to use. Like, it could be your practice wig and that turns into like a thing for you. Like, I'm really feeling this whole synthetic movement, and I'm really feeling this wig because it's very beginner friendly. Y'all, I like this. I like this. I like this. I like this. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel, join this family that I'm creating here on YouTube, especially if you want to see more synthetic lace videos. I'm definitely going to be adding those to some videos that I should be doing on this channel. Don't forget to leave me a like and a comment if you feel like I inspired you in some way or I made you think I need to go run out and get this wig. Check out the description links in the bio. They'll have some links non-affiliated. I did the research so that you guys could find some online options for this wig, as I got it at my local beauty supply. But my name is Brittany, aka BrittSmiley, and stay beautiful, my loves.